is in our nature to protect ourselves against disasters, attacks, against the cold, the heat, and the sunlight. We protect ourselves against close contact and lack of contact. Some are protected outside, some inside. We protect our pride, valuables, and our identity. We protect our beloved, the unborn, the living, and those who will be leaving soon. At TPO Group, we are experts in protecting marine and offshore assets against the forces of nature. We are in the field of coating and corrosion prevention. We offer project management from analysis, measurement and planning to final execution. Welcome to TPO Group. Protection is in our nature.